So I told you last time that this is a fun one, right? Because this is like everything that you love to do about your business is all right here. We're gonna just talk about bookkeeping. We're gonna talk about keeping basic financial records. Obviously, we'll go through community resources. This is a big one. You know, getting the biggest, if I was to rank the most important or most valued resource you guys have for free, it's the fact that you can get financial counseling for free through like the resource partners without cheating. If I say we're talking about bookkeeping, what are we talking about? We're talking about accounting. Billing, income is really just keeping track of all the money going out and all the money coming in. Organization with finances is really, really important. You put people on your team that can help you with that part of it, because it is the most important part to bookkeeping. Open a separate bank account. Think back to our other classes. What do you think one thing you have to go to the bank with? All right, awesome. So you need a business ID. So like you have to register yourself as a business, right? And they give you a little business ID tax number, and now you can open up a business bank under that name. Otherwise, they're gonna say, well, we can't open up a business bank account for you. Just so you can get started in the right direction is just open a separate personal banking account. So you have two personal accounts and you only use one for business purposes. So that first chunk of money that comes in, you can go open your account. Keep track. I do a good portion of my bookkeeping in pen and ink. So let's say tomorrow we sell our first painting, we get $100. Where do we put that? Income, all right? So we'll put tomorrow's date. Okay, so we have $125 right now in our account. One of your pieces of equipment breaks. So I'm Joe's Fix-It. Does everybody got that? How much money do we have now? So we have $25 left. I'm Joe's Fix-It. So you gave me the check for $25 and I put it in my wallet. And then I went home for the weekend and then I forgot about it. And then I went to work the next week and I forgot the check was in there. And a couple days went by and I forgot to go to the bank and deposit that $100 check you gave me. I'm gonna take out $100. I'm gonna go to the casino and double it, okay? So you take out $100, where's that gonna go on here? All right, so if you go to your expenses and you write in the date and $100 right now, what are you gonna see? On, good. Now what are you gonna have to pay for? All right, set boundaries for yourself and make a budget. And then your financial projections can be updated pretty much every year as you are in business. So receipts, contracts, any invoices you pay, anything you pay to someone and they give you a piece of paper showing you paid it, keep it, okay? Because it'll be a benefit to you down the road. So we talked about maintaining daily records. Rule of thumb, if you do anything with the business, record it, okay? There's multiple record-keeping systems. We showed you like 3 different ones today. So like I said, you find any system you're comfortable with. We talk about a bunch of them. If you're not comfortable with any of the ones we talked about, we'll come up with something. Keep and file your receipts and your bills. If you want to have a good idea of how you did at the end of the year, it is 100% up to all of you to do these simple steps that we're talking about here.